Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Today we are in the heart of Amsterdam, right at Dam Square, to explore one of the city's most fun and star-studded attractions, Madame Tussauds Amsterdam. You need to buy the tickets to visit the museum. You can get it online or at the counter. So get ready to meet your favorite celebrities, world leaders, and even superheroes, all under one roof. From Hollywood icons to sports legends, this place is a selfie paradise. They even have Dutch families as statues, and as you can see, they look so realistic. Wow, it seriously feels like they could come alive any moment, right? And at the fashion corner, you can actually do the ramp walk and you'll get the video through email. It's really so much fun. And at the music section, you can actually try your hand on your favorite instrument. Interesting, isn't it? Wow, some of them feels like they could really start talking any second. So realistic. Well, this was my first ever experience visiting Madame Tussauds Museum. So if you are in Amsterdam, don't miss this experience. It surely deserves a visit at least once. There's so much for every age group and for everybody's likes and interests, like these Avenger superheroes for kids. Well, at the exit, you have a souvenir store as well. You can shop and get things of your choice, decorate them, and keep them as a memory in your home. So that's all for this vlog. Stay tuned because many more videos are coming your way. See you soon. Bye bye.